Ïingdorbar thau ain kalaya Shakhmat menta ban Pynduna ya kajing Pyndonkam yaki kot kadbala da kaba Pyndonkam yaki board technology ki badon ban nakaliang umentri rangba ukonrat ke sama un sawanra ya kajing kren halor kamang pisa na kapenta kasnem araja at posau araja at posan haka at huwei tarik menta ubnai ula ong bakalong kabasuk bat ya ka ai kabala le kalong tang ban Pynduna ya kajing Pyndonkam yaki kot kisla pada hakajaka ban pule na ka kot menta kinong shong kin la yo I ling online.
No, it's a very simple step. It's nothing too complicated. It's just that we are trying to reduce the usage of paper as far as possible, and hence technology is being used. It's not a very complicated technology. It's a very simple thing that instead of reading from a piece of paper, which of course is not just for me but will be printed for so many people, now people will be able to see it online and will be able to read it on the instrument that we have given out there for them to use. And so that's all it is. It's not a very complicated thing. But it cannot be done in full 100%. It is a transition. So therefore there'll be some part that will be done now, but it's a process that has started. Hopefully in the coming years, we'll be able to completely make it paperless.